Yo, welcome to my reacts. Today we are continuing the Eminence in Shadow. Now I'm like a week behind with this, so I'm going to make a double upload. I'm gonna record the next episode right after this and like upload them right next to each other, so don't have to worry for the next episode. I'm very excited. I saw like some little spoilers for these two episodes. It looked pretty cool. I saw him like on the piano doing some shit. I don't know what's going on there. We still have to finish this like tournament where he's like going as what is it, like the weakest man? What was his name again? Like weak young man or something like that, man. So yeah, man, let's get into episode 16, bro. We were talking about Rose. Oh yeah, I completely forgot about it. At the end of last episode, Rose just like killed her fiance, bro. The second son to Rihanna Kingdom. Mr. Perf Asa. What's with these names, bro? What? Bro, that name is... What? Oh, she's on the run, for real. In the trenches. There's people full like chasing her. Okay, that's crazy. She's pretty strong, though. We have seen that previously. She has like that like magic art style and shit. I hope she meets up with Seth, bro. Oh. You can like help her from the shadows. At least she's part of the Eminence in Shadow. I'm a thoughtless idiot. Yeah, pretty much. Bro, you know you're grabbing. Bro, what is with this acting, man? We're sworn allies. Bro, Prince says Alexia is really like a kid, you know, like the way she acts, man. Bro, what is with this being so in her face? I would give her a massive slap, man. If my sister can give me an advice. Wow, she's instantly running to her sister. That's crazy as well. Bro, they have all the information. They know exactly where she is. Where would she run to though? Like, I'm guessing she'll go to Seth, but like, what's the point? I want to see where this tournament is going, bro. It's so hard to keep up with all these subtitles. This is gonna be good. He's not talking to him again. And he's just gone. Yep. Yep, he just disappeared once again. Now he's on the battlefield. Oh, never mind. Who is this? I saw they said like someone's getting introduced. Huh? What? A few elf friends. Okay. She's my late sister's daughter. What's her name? What, does he recognize her? It's like alphas or some shit. She kind of looks close to alpha, yeah. Bro, what an obvious lie, man. Actually tried to attack him. That's crazy. That was quick as well. Oh, she actually stopped right there. Bro, what is with his acting? What are you talking about, bro? I don't know what. Yeah, I guess she was pretty strong, I don't know why he didn't like tell him. Like she can join the Eminence of Shadow, can't she? Like, isn't that like his goal? Some shit? I don't know, man. Did I see him? Mundane man. I was wondering, like, a lot of people were calling him different names. Some people were, you know, some subtitles, I guess, like, gave him different names. So I saw on YouTube, some people were calling him Average Young Man, and the other people were calling him Mundane Man. I'm guessing these subtitles that I'm watching don't also switch it to Mundane Man. Either way, it's a trash nickname of, like, the name. The goddess style. Wasn't that, like, the previous event? My ass couldn't follow their every move. I thought she said he punched him twice. The unbeaten legend. He has never lost a single fight. Wait, what? I never got to fight him. Wait, what? Oh, he just like pays them off. Oh, he forfeits. They were victorious, golden. Bro, he's a dumbass. Okay, nice. He's about to ruin this guy's whole career because he's going to ruin his endless streak. How powerful he really is. Okay. So he's actually pretty strong. But I can't wait for this match. Because this man can literally like stop time. We've seen him do it like multiple times. Wait, what? Oh, he just dodged it. And he did a full swing, so it's wide open. Oh, damn, get rolled. Oh, he went slow-mo instead of instantly going for the slice. Do you think you can mess with me? Holy. I didn't see a thing. Damn. Cracked his neck. What does that even mean? I don't understand it either. He just tilted his head, bro. Easy claps. Could do such a thing. Yeah. I love it, bro. His power scaling is so out of this world, and I love it, man. Then he's way too overpowered. He literally just cracked his neck on this guy. Uh-huh. What about it? Show some... Bro, this guy is so full of himself. I love the way that he's like power, you know, leveling the random guys that he's facing. As if he can really predict it. They say they can perfectly predict their opponent's power, but I don't believe it, man. He's about to like just catch the blade or something out of pocket. He just sneezed. No. No, 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 no. No, no. I don't know. I'm not accepting that. Bro, he sneezed and then he won. That's crazy. What are you going to say? He sneezed? Is that why he won? What are you going to say about that? Oh, that was painful. Oh, that back. He sneezed. He just sneezed on him, bro. That's crazy, bro. He can literally stop time, though. He's just like that. Bro, ain't no way. What is she doing? I knew she was like one of those weird characters, you know, you get them in all the animes, but this is way too outrageous. Everyone's just looking at her, bro. Now she's embarrassed all of a sudden. What is wrong with this woman, man? And how did you just sneeze on purpose? Like, tell me how you do that. How do you just sneeze on purpose? There's no way. Well, I'm guessing it's his son that was attacked. This is actually him. So, he isn't dead. This guy looks like he's asleep, like a ghoul or something, you know? Like being controlled or something. What's he just like sneezing on another opponent or something now? Just flipped over. Nice. Oh, that was Quentin. He just got rolled. Save to bet on everyone. Yeah, I would just like not bet on his games, you know, because it's so random. Like, you never know when he might just like not do it. Please give me funds. Oh no. Yeah, because it's constantly voting against mundane, man. Nice. Oh, this guy's on a farm, just out there. Okay, nice. I was wondering where the other side character went. Bro, he literally beat you up. You remember, man. The same way you've been winning all the other people, huh? Here it is. He's hyped up. Let's go. Wait, is he about to? Yeah, I knew it. I knew he was going to do it. Once he started taking off the things, I knew he was going to do it. I don't know. I think it started with like Dragon Ball Z, I think was the first to do it. But you've seen it so many times where people are like, oh, I'm about to take off these restraints. And there's like 20,000 kilograms like handles or some shit, you know? Okay. Holy. He's just breaking the floor. He's way too overpowered, man. What's wrong with this woman, bro? I just cringe so hard, man. I don't know why. And the guy she's talking to is the most cringiest guy I've seen on this planet. So it shouldn't even be that bad. I think she just like sprained her neck or some shit. Right. She didn't move her neck. You saw that. She definitely sprained her neck just there. She's gonna come the next day with like ice patch strapped to her neck or some shit. Who are you fighting? Is this Rose like fighting in the caves? In the sewers? Yeah. Oh, she's killing people now. Okay, nice. Apparently she didn't kill the actual guy. She doesn't want to kill them, yeah. You'll pay for what you've done, but apparently she didn't even really kill the guy. I'm guessing she did the same she did to that guy, where she just like didn't hit the vitals and just like, you know, ran off. But then at the same time, it doesn't make sense. Why would you attack someone just to, you know, you could just run away without attacking him if you're not going to hit his vitals or whatever, you know? Very interesting case. Maybe she actually did try to kill him and he is just like very strong. I don't know, man. Yeah, that was today's episode. I'm not going to say too much now because I'm going to record the next episode right after this, you know. But that was very cool. I really like the whole thing with, you know, Rose running away and everything. It's very cool. The character arc, because I believe is going to happen, is finally going to be someone joining outside of Shadow Garden. I've been saying it for so long. I want someone to join that he meets like in his real life form to join the Shadow Garden and learn everything about it. I think it would be a very cool, you know, thing to see. And it being Rose makes a lot of sense. I always thought it would either be Alexia or Rose. They're like the only two that really make sense to, you know, join the Shadow Guard from outside. And they're both already, you know, people that know Delta or know Beta. They all know Beta very good. And the other character that we've seen this episode as well, Beatrix, is also a character that I've seen a lot of people talk about. Can't wait to see the results of this final battle. I think she's just trying to pull out, or maybe he's just going to absolutely finish it, or he's going to lose on purpose. You never know, man. This guy likes to mess around, but he's like he wants to go on this, like, you know, play around, win the whole tournament arc, so I'm guessing he's going to win. Okay, that's going to do it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. If you want like this, hit the channel, and I see you guys next video. Take care.